Chris Soren here, MarineMax Baltimore, taking you through the 2018 290 Sun Deck Outboard. Start here with the twin 250 Verados. This does come with the optional joystick piloting system. Moving a little further back, you have the full sun pad here with the adjustable leg rests. Come here into the cockpit. You do have your sink and wet bar set up, full wraparound seating, blue LED lighting. We do have a refrigerator here. You have your ski tow package above here. Moving forward to the helm area, you have the adjustable thigh rise, as well as the adjustable backrest. The aforementioned joystick piloting, your digital shift, your Simrad all-in-one multi-device, your stereo. Here you have your day head with your vacuum flush. Storage here under the helm, the walk-through windshield. Here at the front, you have your wraparound seating, which is quite comfortable with your armrest here. You do have a optional table here in the front. And then in the forward section, you have your windlass, and then you also have your spray down if you choose to beach the boat. Again, the 2018 290 Sun Deck Outboard. Please give us a call, visit our website, or come on in and take a look.